leaves, a traditional potent medicine. Health benefits of neem leaves have been talked about for centuries now. It would be uncommon to not see a neem tree in any Indian home or neighborhood. Do you know? Neem leaves contain over 130 different types of biological compounds, such as nimbin, nimandial, which help heal the body and promote healthy living. Neem is best known for its anti-aging properties. Due to its antioxidant properties, neem protects the skin from harmful ultraviolet rays, pollution, and other environmental factors. The vitamins and fatty acids in neem improve and maintain the elasticity of the skin, reduce wrinkles and fine lines. This make you and your skin look rejuvenated and youthful. Neem is also beneficial in fighting against fungal infection. Its antifungal and antibacterial properties keep the harmful bacteria and fungi at bay. Thus, it protects the skin and keeps the skin-related diseases away. They are used to treat warts as well as chicken pox. Either the paste is applied on the affected area or the person is made to bathe in neem water. It can also treat foot fungi. Today, let us learn how to prepare neem leaves for treating skin fungus, the most effective natural remedy for getting rid of fungal skin infections. Have at least 200 grams of neem leaves, wash and add 1 cup of water for blending. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Stir and make sure the 2 ingredients are fully mixed. Your remedy is now ready for use. Apply on the infected skin after bath. You can repeat it after 8 hours. Please share this video with your friends and subscribe for more remedies.